Example 4, match the equation of each rational function with the most appropriate graph. So if we're taking a look here, we really just need to use even the asymptotes or I see a hole in the graph to help us. So if I was to factor each of these equations, I can see that x plus 2 cancels, which means I know there is a hole in the graph at -2 and a vertical asymptote at 2. So that's going to be right here. So this is going to be my graph of a of x. Here, I can factor the numerator, though that's not really going to help me out. The denominator does not factor. There is no NPVs when you have an x squared plus 1. So that means that there's no restriction. So there's no vertical asymptote. And there is also no hole in the graph. So that would mean this would have to be graph 3. So I realize this leaves me with graph 1 must be c of x, but just to show you how the non-permissible values are going to confirm that. So nothing cancels. So you would have, oops, this should be a plus, sorry. You would have non-permissible values or vertical asymptotes at x is equal to plus or minus 2. So that would mean here and here. So this would be graph c of x. So when you have your matching questions, most of the time you can just use your asymptotes or holes in the graph and restrictions to find the corresponding graphs to equations.